Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can remove and replace battery for the Vauxhall Astra. It's 2012 range, so it's a manual start stop. So first of all we'll remove the negative cable, this one here, and then we will remove this one, these three, and the case here, and the plate there that holds the battery in. So if you have a larger size battery, this space is for that, and this plate is holding the battery in. So first of all we'll remove the negative wire, and then the positive one, and this part here. So we'll start on doing negative. Leave it here. Now this one has a bit of, so you just need to loosen a bit and the part will come off. Now we are going to remove these. I'm going to use a pliers because it's not going to reach. And the part has come off. Now we'll remove this plate here. So if you just push a bit, the plate will come off. Now we're gonna remove this tray. I'm gonna need a bigger one here, so I'll remove this first. I've loosened this. You won't come off unless I take this part off. I needed a bit of force. Now we will take this part off, this one off. That came off. Now you can just slide out the battery. So the clip is holding it. You just need to use a screwdriver on both parts, and this will come off. Just slide the battery out. So this is the new battery. I'm just unplugging this, and I'm just gonna slide it in. It's clipped in. Now we'll put the bracket in. Make sure holding it properly. Put these back in. Now before I put this in, I have to plug this in. Now we're going to put all the screws in. Make sure you tighten it properly so that it's touching each other to supply the power. I'll tighten this screw. So now we put this bracket in. Now we'll put the negative in. It might spark a little. tightening the screws. Now everything is in, all the screws are tightened. Now we'll try to start the engine. So I'll leave the bonnet open.
To sack them was irrational
The
and
radio has come
inconsistent.
on, which means the battery has the power. Now it's start. There you go, engine has started. Here will this mirror and everything working, window and everything working. Now come back. Just needed to put the cover back in. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.